Unwriter. We call it Unwriter free. So just go to Play Store. Play Store. Don't forget to download the Unwriter. So search. This is writer. As you can see, just open the Unwriter HTML. Yeah. So if you look at this Unwriter, you see it's not only for HTML. You can go other language. Yeah, you can see either for web programming, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, tons of things. You even write a PHP here, QR, JavaScript, LaTeX, all these things we talk about. Maybe throughout this action, talk more about what this is all. Because it's not only for HTML files. So just go ahead and download it. So just click here, install. Okay, it is installed right now. Okay. You can see it's installing on my phone. So as you can see, it's installing on my phone. If you can see, now installing the Unwriter. Many other ones you can use, like they will have good editing. There's HTML, so my preferred one, the ones I've used and know more about is the Unwriter. Okay, so we have successfully installed our Unwriter. So let's get that in code. But don't forget, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like, and give our video a thumbs up. And also, if you have any other questions you want to ask about this HTML stuff, you can just comment down below. Okay, after you have downloaded the app, it shall ask you to download the Unwriter free. Here is it. Click on Unwriter free. Don't forget, use a mobile app. We are going to use it to code. Okay, as you can see, I've created tons of things. Like you can see here, I'm working on a new document. It's just what I was using to practice, so that I'll be able to show you. You can see I have different documents here, different blank documents and stuff. Like here now, here is my document, Here, use the document. You can decide to open another document. Like go here. And decide to open here now. Let me open here. See, so another document is already open. Where's that my document? I wanted to show you something. So I've deleted most of my documents, something like that. Okay, so let's continue. So here now, if yours have any bit of code or so in your document, for example, let's go here. Is it? Yeah, for something like this, you have such codes on your document and you want to create a new page, something, you can just, this icon here now, this plus icon, click on the plus icon. So I've created a new page. But first of all, before we start learning more about it, let's save this up page. So you see a button after the plus icon, you see a folder. After that folder, you see a button here that looks like a file. Click on it. Then you can give your file a name. So for mine, I will give it like hello. Don't forget the extension .html. That's your extension. Don't forget it. Always remember this HTML, because now we are coding HTML document. So we need to give it an extension called HTML to tell the browser or to tell our phone capacity that our phone processor that yes, we are not writing HTML codes. So before you save, find a place you will save it. So I created a folder. You can actually create a folder before and saving your document. Go back to your folder, like your phone folder, you create a folder. So I created a folder. Like here you can see link CSS. This is a folder I created. This CSS was cascading style sheet. I just name it such name. Is a folder I created in my phone. So here you can see tons of them where all my documents are stored. Then just save. So I've saved my document now. Hello.html. If you look below the play button, see. So first of all, presently now we're now in an environment where we can code. If you look at your keyboard, the top of your keyboard, your keypad, you will see some tons of things, like some stuff which maybe you don't know, but we are going to jump into it so that you know more about it. We're going to code our first website or our first app, HTML site present now. So first of all, just click on this angle bracket. Type like I think less than or and greater than sign. Less than and greater than sign. We use as bracket in HTML. So you create, open it, click on it first. Then what I want for you to write for me now is just HTML. If you can see it up here, that's been highlighted white. And click on it or just continue typing it. Then close it. Click on the closing one, the one that has the bracket open and in front of the bracket have a slash, is to close it. So let me just explain more about it. So here now we have just tell our phone, the processor of our phone, that yes, we are now about to code in HTML. We are now about to code in HTML. That's how we create this HTML tag. So anything we are going to create in our document is going to be within these HTML tags. Okay. Anything we're going to type be what within this HTML tag. For instance, I made a mistake. Let's say I made a mistake and I type HTML. Watch. If I click here, this side won't be highlighted. The one up won't be highlighted. If I click up, the one down will not be highlighted. But just watch. If I correct my mistake here, if I click here, you see that the one below is highlighted already. Click down, the one up is highlighted, which means they are linked. If you look beside them, at that place you see your numbers 1, 2, 3. You see something like a line connecting two of them, which means they are what? Link. So this is just to practice. If yes, you are really getting, just click on the first tag and look if the second tag is highlighted, so that you know yes, I'm correct. So anything we are going to code now should be within this HTML tag. Anything outside this HTML tag isn't for our HTML file, so we need to be in this HTML tag. Then the next thing we need, just take these things I'm writing now as the format of writing this HTML site. Just take it as a format, like in letters, in letter writing. We have formats to tell you, okay, first of all, your greeting, your salutation, your this, your introduction, your this, and your conclusion, your body, all this stuff. So this is the same thing, the same format. So after the HTML tag, what we need now, the most important thing we need now is a head. So just open your bracket, your angle bracket, type in head. You can see head is highlighted, not header, but head, not header. Click on head. Then you close the head. Don't forget the angle bracket that has slice. Close the head. Once you click on it, will close already. Then okay, this head, anything within this head is what our browser will see. Anything within this head won't be visible to our visitors. People seeing our site, they won't see anything within this head, except for the title that will display on the URL. That's the uniform resource locator. Your URL, uniform resource locator, is what your title will be displayed there. That's the title is simply, and let's say the name of your website. That's your domain. What will be displayed as your website name. What would the user type in order to locate your website? So this head now, anything written in between these heads. If I click here, you see the other head is highlighted. Click here, it's highlighted, which means we are good to go. Anything written within this head won't be seen by the user. Everything written in this head will only be seen by us and the browser. Okay, so create a tag. Let's put in our title. TITLA. Okay, we have created it already. We close the title.
Then within the title, let's create, just give our document a title. So we just type my first HTML site. Sorry, not stopped. That's a type error. That's autocorrect. It's not true. Okay, so we now created it. I've created our HTML tag, create our head, which our browser will see, and we will see, but our visitors won't see. Create our title. All these things are what we call the tags in HTML. These are the format. So the next thing now, below the head, I say anything in the head, within the head, the open tag of the head and the close tag of the head won't be visible to our visitor. So below the head is where we start coding our stuff. So below the head, we create what called the body. Like I said, the format for writing this is this language. So now anything written in the body will be displayed on our page. Any tag or whatever we write in the body will be displayed. So we create the body. As you can see, body is selected already. Just click on body, close the body. So we have created the body. So let's just test our this body which we have created. It's just right. Let's try and create something like, even without using any tag, if you type anything in your body, it will be displayed. Let's just use the illegal way. Maybe after we'll come back, then I'll show you what to do when you create your body. Okay, let's write and hello, hi, hello, hi. Okay, then let's save. Then click on that button. Okay, as you can see it here. Hello, hi. This is where we can preview. Hello, hi. So to preview, just click on that play button below, above that, the play button above our name. You see a button as a play sign. So just click on it and it will display what you have typed. So this is another way. You need to like create some tags for your body. So the first tag you want to create, like if you want to like start your website or it's something cool, what you need to create is a header. And we're not talking about headers. So you open a bracket, the angle bracket, don't forget that are greater than less than, and you type in H1. This H1 means header 1. And you close it. This header 1 now means our header is going to be big. The higher the number, the smaller our header width. How small our header will be. The lower the number, the bigger or the fatter or the more bigger our header is. So this H1, let's say for this H1 now, right? Hello world. Sorry. Hello world. Hello world. So if I play, don't forget to save. Don't forget to save. If I play, you can see it's big. Hello world. But let's go back. Let's try another header and see what will happen. Okay, let's just leave this one and create another header. Let's create open your bracket, H2. Now close our H2. Then let's type something in our H2. Let's type what we just type now. Oh, come here, bro. Let's type hello world. Sorry. Or am I even typing? One. Okay, save. Let's play and see what will happen. So we play. As you can see, the second one is now smaller. First one bigger, second one smaller. Let's try more. Let's give it H3. Let's create it. H3. You close it. Okay, right. Hello world. Save. Let's check it out. As you can see, you see how it's decreasing in size getting more thinner, or whatever. Not an English student, sorry. I'm an English student, but not an English instructor, sorry. Okay, as you can see, it's getting thinner. Like here, H1, that's the biggest size. The first one is H1, the second one is H2, H3. Let's try H4 and see what really shows up. So let's create our tag. I think H4. Close our H4. Right, hello world. Okay, save. Sorry, world. Save. Next one. Wow. We just created something cute. Really. From what we have created now, you can see the trend, how it's slanting. It's called a slanting, like in letter writing, talk about the slanted type and this thing, sorry, the slanted address. So these are the first thing to do. If you want to like create your tag, you can create your hello world, your hashtag. So the next thing, let's try another tag. Let's create a P tag. That's a paragraph tag. P. You open your bracket, type P, and as you can see, P is selected. Click on P, close your P. So what this literally does, you create a paragraph. Okay, let's type a text. Sorry, a text document. Why am I typing? Don't blame me. My phone keypad is small. Sorry, document, because my main phone just spoiled, and I'm not typing with a small phone, which means everybody can do it. If I can type with this phone as small as this, which means any phone is able to like type with HTML. Type. Okay, let's play it. You can see I just created a paragraph. That's a text document. That's my paragraph. So these are things you can do with this stuff. So if you have a mobile phone and you don't have a laptop yet, or your laptop spoiled, something like that, you can just use it to like practice around. Maybe in our next video, we're going to do something more than this. We create a site using our phone, something like that, or even a calculator or something like that. So just stay tuned as we continue. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like if it was helpful, and leave us a comment below, like where telling us more about what you want for us to discuss in our next lesson. So thanks one more. I'm Raph from Raph Edutech. Thank you.